1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever I'm going to do there's a step known as the cut jive. I break the step, I break the swing into half. So it's generally whenever a partner is on your left, you bring your partner in 2, 3 and 4. And then again do the swing 2, 3, 4. So I'll explain to it again. So the lady comes in with the right foot, breaks the step, goes in, out. And then the swing 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show it to you from the side. So again it's 1, 2, I'll bring it in, receiver and guide around. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can do the regular swing if I want also. But remember, when you're doing the cut, when you're breaking up the swing, you need to stop her and then move her out. And then do this swing. So I stop her here, move her out, and then 1,